scared Apaches there, and they threatened Spain, but then Spain made peace between three. Yeah. We don't expect them to understand, we don't expect them to care. Some manifest destiny now, we use the weapons we bear. Mountain men crossed the Rockies, we left the Oregon Trail. We left our lives back behind us, just to make some gold sales and more peace. Took Salt Lake City because they wanted to live in that. Trains were so very dangerous, but we kept on going towards paradise. Don't you forget we took over Texas, won independence with some history. James Polk became president, he declared destiny, but then Spain would not let us through. If only we can beat the Mexicans, manifest destiny for our kids. We'll gain New Mexico, Texas, Cali too. Next thing that will happen, gold rush boom. Oh, after the post-war dilemma, didn't know what to do. Whether the new state should cap slaves, what if the Southerners sue? And will not proviso, was there room for slaves? Though the South didn't like it, they went with it anyway. Jackson purchased the U.S. soil that became Arizona land, and the natives faced discrimination. Mexican nation faced its demise. Our manifest destiny from far to such a beauty lands to see. But we decided California should become a state dividing our country. If only destiny could exist, we could take much more land just like this. Nor didn't like how slavery exists, and thus begins the story of our